Hi, my name is Javier, and along Ana Paula and Ana Camila, we will be talking about one of the world's biggest problems, which is climate change. So first, what is this problem about? The goal number 13, which is named Climate Action or Climate Change, focuses on stopping the majority of the greenhouse gas emissions, which is the gas that pollutes the most the atmosphere of our world. And this ends up in higher and higher temperatures all over the time with many side effects. Next, we have the findings of the survey, and we had a main question that said, is climate change caused by humans? And surprisingly, not everyone said yes, meaning that not all of the people are pretty well informed in this topic, even if it's a pretty basic question. And people claim that the thing which they're most concerned about is their health and natural disasters, which the climate change can cause. Also, most people think that it's really important to start trying to stop the climate change so they can have a better quality of life and their children and the future generations can have a good world that it's well taken care of in many aspects, like the environmental ones.
Question number 1. Why is it important to stop climate change? We got 7 answers. Because it's the only planet we have to live on, so we can live longer. Because we want other generations to have resources to live so that we don't have so that we don't go extinct. Because we are causing a lot of problems in our environment. Because we are destroying the earth so we can live a good life and the animals. Because flora and fauna over the world are dying and we are going to suffer consequences. Question number 2. What are the main three what are the main threats of climate change? The water will run out and animals will go extinct. Natural disasters. Losing ecosystems and plants and animals going extinct. Extinction, global warming. Animals are dying, the poles are melting, natural disasters. Global warming, the death of ecosystems, extreme heat or cold death of animals, etc. Question number 3. How is climate change affecting people? 7 answers. It affects us a lot since it is the planet where we live. They can affect their health by changing the weather and causing a lot of natural disasters. All the natural disasters and the heat in the planet with illness and can get sick the weather. Question number 4. How is climate change affecting our oceans? 7 answers. Contaminates them. The sea levels are rising by melting the ice poles and drowning parts of land. Contamination, animal deaths. The flora and fauna in the oceans are dying. With all the pollution, the water turns darker. Several deaths of fauna and flora. Question number 5. How can we prevent climate change? 7 answers. Not contaminated. Doing daily habits like recycling. By using less energy and not using aerosol products. Stop using resources that we don't need. We have to start recycling. Recycling, taking care of our trash where it is going to stop. What are some solutions to climate change? 7 answers. Following the instructions not to pollute. Trying to promote helping climate change, using recycling bins, taking action in organizations that help the environment, stop industries that pollute a lot, recycling, etc. Recycling and using less plastic. Question number 7. How can I help to stop climate change? 7 answers. Following the instructions not to pollute. Start telling my friends to do so. Inform other people about the big problem climate change causes. Turning off the lights when we don't use it and using less water. Taking care of water and stop buying things that have a lot of processed or chemicals. Buy recycled products using less plastic. Question number 8. What happens if we don't do something about climate change? 7 answers. The earth is going to end. The world's going to be a worse place for us. We are going to die. We will end with the world. We are going to die. The world in a moment will be uninhabitable. Every day is going to be more difficult to get good water, etc. Question number 9. How can climate change affect our farms and our food? 7 answers. Climate change affects our food if it affects plants we can eat. The resources may start to scarce by killing our animals and plants and not having any food. Because of the process, all food have. Because animals and plants die, we're going to have less food. And the way the animal grow or eat, animals dying.
Suggested solution. We think that a good solution for this problem is to get informed and inform others about this issue that is killing our world, and also employ different actions such as not littering, reuse, recycle, and use only the necessary resources to help have a healthy world. Thank you.